You thought I was feeling you? So good. Don't come next to my car. I don't want to touch it with my hands. What is this? Oh. That's ginger. Oh, thank you. That's collard greens. What's up, you guys? What's going on? What's going on? Put this right here. I'm very clumsy, so I gotta be careful when I'm eating because I will drop everything. Literally. Thank you. You thought I was feeling you? I'm eating collard greens. Don't get to. What's up? Did they give me no napkins? Did they? Oh, Lord. Y'all got napkins in here? Thank you. 8th letter. You ever be eating and you hungry? While you eating, you still hungry? That's how I'm feeling right now. That's how I'm feeling right now. Like, every bite really counts. Y'all don't watch me. I would share my food with y'all, but not today. I'm sorry. I have eaten all day today, and no. Y'all don't be watching me eat. I saw that. I saw y'all watching me. Don't be watching me eat. Oh, I done put the plantain in the sauce. Ugh. I'm gonna still eat it though, cause it's good. I don't see how people eat their food with. I don't see how people eat their food without like hot. I'm eating Jamaican food right now. So I don't see how people eat their food without no spice. Like, you gotta put some some type of salt, spicy sauce or something in it. I can't eat without spicy sauce. Like, I really be feeling like, if my food don't have no spice to it, I really be feeling like throwing up. All right. But, this food is good, and I'm very picky because a lot of Jamaican restaurants, the food don't really be that good. You gotta go to a real deal. Listen, you gotta go to a real deal Jamaican restaurant. When you walk in, they gotta be like, but, what want? We want? What you want to eat? You want oxtail, rice, and peas? They gotta be talking like that. If you walk in and like, hey, how can I help you? What would you like? No, their food not gonna be busting. I'm telling you, it's really not. If they don't have an accent, no, you might as well make a U-turn, because no. I gotta hear what one, oxtail, rice, and peas, jerk chicken. I can't do the accent, but yeah. Y'all catch my drift. I'm from Florida, so I know all the spots, but I'm in Atlanta. It's hard to find. The ones everybody be talking about don't really be good. But this one right here, this is my first time eating here. This is good as hell. I'm not gonna lie. I'm surprised. I just said, let me Google a good spot and let me see. And they had like 4 point something stars. And I was like, let me just check it out. You never know. And it's actually good. It's called Island Spice. Oh, it's called. Yeah, it's called Island Spice. It's good as hell. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. When a girl starts doing this, that means the food is good. If you're on a date with a girl, she starts doing that means the food is good. Am I in Midtown? No. Island Spice, I don't know if they have any other locations, but I'm not in Midtown. I'm nowhere near Midtown. I don't even know where I'm at, actually. I couldn't tell you. But it's next to it's not in Midtown. This shit is good. I might go give me another plate, y'all, to go home. I don't know. I ain't even make it out the parking lot. Are you kidding me? I might get another plate, y'all, to go home. 'Cause I'm gonna be hungry later. Should I do it though? Should I do it? Am I being greedy? Like, the fan blowing on my damn food. That's why it should be cold. Yup. I got the spicy sauce, the Caribbean spicy sauce, the one they got at Publix. That shit good. They got some. They gave me some. Yes, you guys. Somebody don't mud it, baby. I can't help it. I'm hungry. Listen. Yes, I am a massage therapist. If you would like an appointment, I travel, but I am in Atlanta. I'm stationed in Atlanta. I travel in Atlanta, and I have a location in Atlanta, and I travel to every state. Okay? I ain't say country. It's a state. Because your girl not going to know. No. I don't travel out the country for no massage. Don't kill me. Don't kidnap me. But yeah. Isn't it Douglasville? Is this Douglasville? Probably couldn't tell you. But that shit is good. When you go there and tell them, they don't know my name, but tell them they don't know my name. I didn't even tell them my name. If you go there, if you come here today, tell them the girl with the curly hair who on a diet told you about this spot. Y'all don't judge me, hush. Cause I can hear y'all over there laughing, hush. Just be quiet. I'm hungry. Nobody watching me through the window. Woo! I'm still hungry. I'm still hungry. Like, what's that about? I'm eating neck bone. Ooh. Collard greens. This collard green's good. I don't want this piece, bro. Oh, I ain't getting nothing to drink. Damn. I need some water. I don't really drink juice and stuff like that. I'm a person that just drink water. Because I barely drink. I barely drink, period. So when I do drink, I drink water. Like, I can go a whole day and not drink anything. And that's bad. I probably should go get something to drink in here. Because I gotta go. I gotta go to the... Wait, what's over here? What's over here? Let's go to the store. Get some water. But anyway, guys, I've never seen a pickup truck. I've never seen a low rider pickup truck. What the heck? That's wild. I've never seen a low rider pickup truck. What's the point of that? Janice said, call her Jennifer. Mari said, later, call me. Huh? What's the point of a pickup truck that's low? Pickup truck was for working men. My waist and hip ratio? Why? You gonna buy me an outfit? Why you wanna know that? I'm done, y'all. Y'all make sure y'all book your appointments. I might go get another plate for later. I'm trying to think. Or am I doing too much? That's a big ass dog. You don't even know my age. You ask me, do I get with younger guys? All right, y'all. I'm done.